Climate Change in Taiwan, National Scientific Report 2024. It is the first climate report after the Climate Change Response Act came into force in 2023. Through the TCCIP project, NSTC and the Ministry of Environment gathered 70 experts and scholars to compose this report. It aims to help governments to carry out risk assessment and adaptation planning by offering a more comprehensive understanding of Taiwan's climate change conditions. This report consolidates the phenomena, impacts, and adaptation that Taiwan has experienced under a warming climate. How will global warming affect Taiwan's climate? As the global surface temperature continues to rise, the warming in Taiwan is projected to persist, at least until the mid-century. If the world fails to cut down on carbon emissions, Taiwan may experience summer that lasts up to 7 months and suffer from extreme heat of more than 36 Celsius more often. The sea surface temperature will go up around 3 degrees Celsius by the end of the century. Due to melting glaciers, the sea level in some areas may increase by 82 centimeters. Taiwan will face longer dry spells and more frequent extreme precipitation, with drier dry seasons and wetter wet seasons. While the number of typhoons will drop, Taiwan will face more severe typhoons. Disaster prevention and reduction will be more important than ever. Warming hinders air pollution dispersion, worsening fall and winter air quality if pollution persists. What are the impacts of climate change in Taiwan? Due to extreme precipitation and dry spells, Taiwan is likely to be exposed to an increased risk of floods and droughts. As the sea level rises, more low-lying coastal areas will be flooded and further increase the risks of storm surges as typhoons are getting more severe. Research also shows that extreme heat may lead to an increased risk of cardiovascular disease and major depressive disorder. Moreover, these extreme weather conditions will impact agriculture, fisheries, and livestock production. Natural forest coverage will shrink as the temperature continues to rise, and higher sea temperature is expected to impact the marine ecosystem. How can we adapt to climate change? The report consolidates scientific data and presents specific challenges on different scales. It can help all levels of government to formulate adaptation plans, to be cautious of more severe flooding when more impermeable pavements are used in urban areas. For example, if the risk of landslides increases in the mountain areas, it is necessary to review the current land use plan for better design. Through this report, we can see the possible impacts of climate change and better plan for adaptations in Taiwan.